Okay, now yesterday's packets, now I'm going to mix them all together. You've already seen this packet before. Okay, let's see if we can do a little better here. Example 1. I want these problems solved. A set of golf clubs that cost $600 are on sale for 40% off the regular price. What's the sale price of the clubs? Okay, if I have a word circled, that means we need to draw an arrow off. This goes right there. 100%. We take 40% off, takes me to 60%. So 60 and 100 are the percents now. $600 was before, so that means the before is the 100. So I put 60% over 100%, and that goes with the 100, so 600. So 600 times 60, divide that by 100 is $360. I spent 30% of my paycheck of $5,000 on house payments. How much is spent on house payments? This problem here does not have a word circled, so there's no line to it. If there's no line to it, we're going to use the 30%. Now you're like, well, without the line, how am I going to know where to put $5,000? That's why you got to define it. You got your house payments and total. Now I know that says on house payments, but of $5,000 means that's a total. So 5,000 X. If it has a before it, it's your automatic total. So 5,000 times 30 divided by 100 is 1,500. Next problem, item costs $30.75. When I go to the cashier, I know the 7% tax will be added. What will the item cost after tax? Okay, got a word circled. I can fill out my thing with the line. So I got 100%. I add 7%. That's before, that's after. That's before, so it goes down here with 100. Before it goes with 100. 100%, 107%, and that goes with 100%, so 30.75x. 30.75 times 107 divided by 100, $32.90. Okay. Example 4. First off, get this out of here. I don't know why that's there. It should say a store. Store marks up the price of an item it sells by 55%. After the markup, the price is $38.75. What was the cost of the item previously before the markup? So it goes up. So we use the arrow to fill out our thing. So I know what goes where. That's the point of it. It goes up. It goes to 155%. It says that's after, so it goes at the end. Beginning, end. Okay, after is right here. Okay, so I got 155% over 100. That goes with 155, so 38.75. So $38.75 times 100 divided by 155, $25. Example 5, 20% of a piece of land is covered by buildings. The buildings cover 17,424 square feet. How many square feet of land are altogether? You don't have an arrow on this problem, so we need to take the percent we're given. Now I don't know where to put that, so I need to define it. Buildings total. Now you gotta read. Does that say it covered? That was buildings. Sure it does. So that goes on top. X. So 17,424 times 100 divided by 20. 87,120. That would be square feet. %60 of the students in a class attended the school play. If there are 50 students in a class, how many attended the school play? There's no arrow here. It's not up or down. 60%, 100%. Well, I don't know where the 50 goes. Well, that's why you define these. Attended the play. In total. It says 50 students in a class, so they didn't all attend the play. It goes here. X. 50 times 60 divided by 100 is 30. Okay, and look at some fractions. Get rid of example 7. Plan to budget 1/5 of each month's check for groceries. If I make $2,400 a month, how much can I budget on groceries? Clearly, we don't go up or down. Just put 1/5. You can put it here, doesn't matter. Now, again, I don't know where to put that. Well, define it. Groceries and total. Does it say that was spent on groceries? No, that's in a month, so that's your total. So 2,400 times 1 divided by 5 is $480. $480. 4/5 of the student body present at an assembly. Of 160 were at the assembly. How many students are there in school? So 4/5, you put that here, it doesn't matter. If you don't know where the 160 goes, you label it assembly. I have the thing underlined in total. 160 were at the assembly, okay. Okay, now when you're working on the 7 problems, I crossed a couple out. That's a down arrow. This is no arrow at all. That's an up arrow. And the arrows, it tells you if the number's before or after. That's a down arrow. The rest of the problems, you use the percent or fraction given, and then if you don't know where to put the other number, you need to define it, okay, like groceries in total. Pause the video and work on that, and then come back.